Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how you can add Lightning Studio to your Google Chrome extension. Like as an extension, you can add Lightning Studio and then you can use it for your LWC component development. So keep in mind that it is only used for LWC development or Apex classes development as well in that, but you cannot use your Aura components. Like the Aura components will not be visible in your Lightning Studio. Only LWC and Apex classes are visible. So let's get started. I have already logged into my Salesforce org. This is my Salesforce org. If you want to create your own Salesforce org, you can check out my video. I'll leave the link somewhere around here in this video. So let's get started. Okay. So what you want to do is like as we know that you can develop your LWC component using VS Code. But there is one extension known as Lightning Studio which you can use to develop your LWC components as well. So basically it comes in this extensions. So if I'll click on, this is my extension button, you can call it. So if I'll click on extensions, then I only have one extension installed on my Google Chrome, which is Lightning Studio. So first of all, I'll just remove this extension from Chrome, remove from Chrome and remove. Okay. Now I'll open another tab and in this tab I'll type Lightning Studio extension. In Lightning Studio extension, this is the first link, Lightning Studio, Google Chrome. And once we click on this, it has 143 ratings and 3.4 stars. Then very helpful, thank you so much for building this tool. It is so much time, it saves so much time and it is so easy to use. Okay, how to open Aura components using this extension? Yeah, again, we cannot open Aura components using this extension, and I don't know why this one person found this review to be unhelpful. They could have just replied to it. After this video I'll reply. Okay, so here is this button, add to Chrome. You can just directly click on add to Chrome and this pop-up will come. It can read and change your data on all force.com sites and all salesforce.com sites. So you have to just add the extension. Basically it can read your data like Apex classes and all the LWC components which are there in your Salesforce org. So I think it's done. It's 8.8 MB and it's still adding to Chrome. And it's done. Okay, so this is added to your extension, but if you click your extension here and if you'll see Lightning Studio, it will not open if you're not logged into Salesforce. You're in some other tab. So I am currently in this tab which is not Salesforce environment. I'll click on it, so it will not work. Now if I'll go to my Salesforce org and I'll just click on this Lightning Studio, it is like blue in color here, but there it was gray in color. So your Lightning Studio will open. You can create your Lightning component from here and you can create Lightning message channel also from here, and you can create a new Apex class as well from here and search code in all LWC components. This is something new which I did also not know. So we can search that as well. Download component backup, then GraphQL API is also there and code difference checker is also there, which is pretty good. And JSON formatter is also there. Deployment output is also there, and this is setting. So I think like earlier when it was released, only till create new Apex class like they provided these features, but now they have search code in all LWC components as well, which is pretty good. And then this download component backup and GraphQL API, then code difference checker is pretty amazing. Nice, this is like very good. I used to go to diff checker, but since we have it here itself, so it's very nice. Oh my god, it's JavaScript and then HTML, CSS, then JSON, XML. Very cool. Then we have JSON formatter as well. So minify and then beautify. That's pretty nice. That's how you can add this Lightning Studio extension in your Google Chrome and then use it in your Salesforce to create your LWC components. So that's all for this video.